Hey yo guys, welcome back to another Gorilla Tag video. Today we are going to be trying the craziest, awesomest bush camping methods in infection lobbies in Gorilla Tag. This might be kind of crazy. I might get reported for this. I'm gonna be like Krampus. I'm gonna be bush camping as Krampus. Also, Merry Christmas to you all. I hope you all had a good Christmas. Comment down below what you got, and if you ever want to play with me, just comment down below and I'll play with you. Anyways, let's start off with the first method, aka literal bush camping. Guys, I do have this at the default now, okay? We gotta try this in default before we do anything else, you know? Might be risky, like, you know, I'm also not very good at Gorilla Tag, so. Y'all wanna do a video? Oh, what's up? I gotta readjust my things. Y'all wanna do a video? You guys teach me how to play Gorilla Tag. Y'all could be in a video. I'm down. Oh my gosh, bro. I'm also on Quest 2, so.
You want me to teach you? Don't literally face through a wall. Come here. No, someone face through a freaking wall. What's up? What's up?
Bro, holy tiny branches. I didn't even know those branches were tiny with all those freaking. Okay, there we go. He's literally lagging. So many kids on. The goal is to be last, which is gonna be easy and casual, not so easy and competitive. I don't even know if we're doing competitive in this episode.
Somebody get me up here.
Yeah, you definitely do. These kids are brave.
Yep. We did it, right? Hi, who's over here? Who's over here? Can you still swing? Yo, bro, I'm not tagging. I just want to talk. Alright, you still Oh, sorry, bro. Bro, try to catch your first
Oh my goodness, I did, bro.
Yo, bro, behind you.
Nice, dude. Challenge succeeded, bro.
Jay, you just hit me. Jay, keep it up.
Hey, we can talk about this, man. Oh, he's lost.
Damn big daddy.
What?
Damn big daddy.
Got it. Okay, just quit.
Damn big daddy. Damn big daddy. Watch out.
Definitely just got that VR headset.
Hold on, think of the other one. What are you doing?
I went right over it. No, you're right there. Should I just trick him on walls? Oh, he tagged me. Nice job. So you hiding in here the whole time. Where's the train? Nice. This is actually a very good method.
Trying to jump.
He's talking now. This is crazy, dude. Krampus hiding now. I'm the one. I am the one. Oh my gosh. I am last. I was last. Dude, they don't even care. Oh shoot. They can't. We might. That one actually kind of good. Oh shit! No, I got stuck again. I'm still kind of jumped. I love default. Default's my favorite. I literally am on his last tag. I'm on, oh my gosh. Oh shoot. Oh my gosh. Okay, this kind of counts, I guess. Oh, nice job, nice job. No way.
Hi.
Oh, I'm out of here. Please. There's other people to tag. Please.
We just turned green. Hey, Daddy.
Wow. I'm gonna take that.
Oh, they're up there, I see. They're up there. They think they can hide. They think they can hide, huh? Where do they go, huh? They under here? Oh, this way. Oh my, I see a wild monkey. Is that Thomas the Train? Dude, I absolutely love dominating casual lobbies. Okay, I'm completely sideways in real life.
Oh my god. My first time ever making it up here.
Guys, that's me. Guys, that's just my belly, don't worry. That's just my belly. See guys, it's just my belly.
Oh, yay!
Fingers.
I see wild monkeys.
I got it.
Wild monkeys. Wild monkeys.
I'm sorry.
Wild monkeys. Ah, come here, man. Dang, you're actually pretty fast for just showing.
Someone said something about me whenever I got tagged.
Oh, I said you're fast.
Oh, what'd you say? Oh, you're starting the game?
Yeah, for just starting the game. Cause I started a while ago.
Thank you. Thank you. I just gotta keep that movement going.
Yeah, I'm doing a video right now. Where'd he go? Where'd that monkey go? Where's the blue guy? Oh, I see him!
Hi.
Better run, man. Oh, I found lights. I know where. I see him. You coming, bro? Yes, funny.
I tagged them. Wait, one more. Right? Yeah,
Here we go. Oh my god. Okay, here we go. This is lucky kind of hard. I have to find somewhere else. Here we go. Okay. This is what I call camping. Dude. Last one. Come on.
Stop recording.
Stay tuned. Yeah, now you guys see
Can I?
Okay. How am I already last tagged? How am I already last tagged, bro? Guys, I'm Krampus' dad, bro. I'm Krampus' dad. Nice job. Guys, I was extremely successful in default lobbies. What happens in the multiplayer? We'll find out next.